Hey, what's going on, everyone? I am back. Today is September the 10th, 2022. We're going to talk about Pfizer today and see what the whales are trying to do with this particular stock. Welcome everyone to the channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I'm your boy. I'm the one who comes through and give you all a different viewpoint as to how to predict prices. And yeah, I did say that. You're able to predict prices and see where prices are going to go. When you think about it, everyone does it. Now, the strategy, the way that they do it, okay, it's a plethora of ways that you can do it. But for me, simplicity is the way to go. I simply look at the bars, look at the price, because money is the ultimate deciding factor to how people think. If you believe in something, you'll put your money in it. If you don't believe it, you'll sell it. It's just that simple. So if you guys want to join me, hit that like button, share the video, also subscribe here to my channel. Look at this article from Benzinga, right? It was sent to the internet on September the 9th, 2022. You guys can see, check out what the whales are doing with PFE. That is the ticker symbol for Pfizer. What's going on with this stock? Let's take a look. Let's look at some of the options. A person, a whale, an institution with a whole lot of money has taken a noticeably bearish stance on Pfizer. So somebody is probably putting some put options on Pfizer. They're looking for the price to go down. If we consider the specifics of each trade, it is accurate to state that 29% of the investors open trades with bullish expectations and 70% with bearish expectations. So overwhelmingly, the scales is tipped to the sellers. A lot of the people who are involved in Pfizer are looking for the price to go down. Now, here it is, September the 9th, and look at the price chart real quick. Market in Pfizer has been going down since I did my video in July. 2 months, price has been going down in Pfizer, and now Benzinga wants to come out with this article and tell us that 70% of people are still looking for the stock to go down. Imagine if you would have saw this article 2 months ago. Then they have some credibility. Then you can say that Benzinga actually gave an article that was actually correct or accurate. What's the price target? Well, from those positions, taking into account the volume and open interest on those option contracts, it appears that the whales have been targeting a price range of $25 to $50, right, for Pfizer over the last 3 months. So they're looking for a price range of $25 and $50. Let's go back to the chart and let's talk. All right, first thing I'm going to do, okay, I am going to talk about my last price prediction in Pfizer. It didn't go right. Your boy didn't get the price prediction correct, and I keep it real. I'm being fully transparent. The market in Pfizer, rather than going up, decided to go down. Now, from out the gate, we recognize, you guys can see it, price did go up, but it didn't go up long. We only had what, 3 to 4 days to actually profit off of the market move in Pfizer. My ultimate price target was up here around 56, and it didn't even get that high. The market topped out in Pfizer right here on July the 8th at $53.54. Okay, now at that high, that's on around 3%. If we were to get out the market now in Pfizer, we will be down 8.5. Okay, it goes that way. We're not going to get every price prediction correct, but one thing I will tell you is that how we do this is simple. It doesn't take us learning technical indicators and how to maneuver and manipulate those figures, the inputs, just to make the market or make the chart look the way that we want it to look. We just simply look at the market. So yeah, we didn't get this one correct, but the whales are 70% bearish in Pfizer. So if we're going to take that information, right, we want to confirm that that's the case off of the chart. Right, we want to see if the bears or those who are trying to sell Pfizer, those who are looking for the stock to go down, if they are correct. And so far, visually, looking at Pfizer right now, they're right. Like, the market is in a downturn, is in a downtrend in Pfizer. Right, if we were to keep it right, if we were to keep the truth, we all can see how Pfizer is trending down. Now, it may not be trending down to the point to where we can say it's going to run to $25. Like, do you all see where $25 is? This is the price target that Benzinga is trying to tell us, and $25 from where the market currently is in And Pfizer is right here. Like, the market could fall off of that price target. 55%, 50%, right there around 50%. 50%. Right? Now, if that's going to be the case, then we could possibly see the market in Pfizer break this trend. Okay. Now, check that out. What just happened? This trend in Pfizer started back in March of 2020, and we've seen the market in Pfizer touch this trend line not once, but twice. Okay? Not once, twice. So this is the current trend in Pfizer. That is why the market currently is trending higher in Pfizer. But Benzinga is trying to tell us that 70% of the market is bearish. That 70% of the people are looking for the price to go down. But looking at it from the chart perspective, it bounced. Maybe we're not going to see the price in Pfizer go down. Right? See, we verify what we see, what we read, what we hear with the price chart. The market currently is telling us that this may be a buying opportunity in Pfizer, outside of what Benzinga is trying to tell us. So we got that. Let's see something else. Check this out. The market here in Pfizer also came and bounced off of support at 46. Isn't that amazing? Look at that. So we have the trend line intact. We also have the market holding support at $45. Hey, those people that are 70% bearish in Pfizer, I want them to see this, because the chart is telling us something different. The market doesn't look extremely bearish right now. That's right now. Now, 6 months from now, yes, it might be bearish. Let's look at the market on the weekly chart, okay? Because we keep it real here. Now, how we ended last week, again, tells me that the market is not extremely bearish. Not to be 70% bearish. 2 weeks. Okay. So I think we can see price initially continue to go up. That's all I'm going to say. Now, am I going to give you a price target saying that it's going to hit $70? No. Right? That's asinine. $70, like 45% moving higher. Me, to be more realistic, this would be the first hurdle, okay, for the buyers to take out in order to resume higher prices. They have to take out 50. I mean, it is what it is. If we don't see price in Pfizer break 50 to the upside, guess what? Those people who are 70% bearish, they're going to be right. Especially if we don't see the market take out 50. That is around 5%. Okay, so that's going to be my first price target in Pfizer. Okay, now what we have here on the 3 weekly chart is a probable precursor of strength, meaning that on the next 3 weeks we want to see the market close higher than this one. Okay, so we got at least 3 weeks to see whether or not the buyers are going to convince us that Pfizer is going to continue to go up. All right, so let me go ahead and do this real quick. Switch this back over to the daily chart, and we're going to put on the expectation that price is going to go up, right? But again, I'm going to give you something realistic. I'm not going to give you some asinine price target, price prediction, and say that you need to buy the stock on the dip, that you need to buy the stock now. No, this is going to be our area of concern if we ever see the market in Pfizer break this area to the downside. We know that the market is going to continue to go lower. Okay, if it breaks this trend line that started all the way back in 2020, if that occurs, we already know we need to cut it. Don't think about it and move on to the next opportunity or short the stock then. Okay, now $49 I can see right here as an area that price could get rejected and come back down. So that's my first price target, 2.17%. My second one is going to be around 50. Okay, $50. That is going to be the biggest problem for the buyers. It's going to be right there around 50. So I'm going to leave it there. If we don't see the market break 50 to the upside, then we understand we need to take the bag and move on. and not get greedy, not get excited, not stay on longer than what we have to. We need to let the play go. But if we see strength at 50, then the market will continue to run up and probably hit that $51.50 to $52 price. But we're going to wait until that happens first. We want to see the buyers hit 50 first. I am done. Give me your thoughts. Give me your perception about Pfizer. Where do you all think the market is headed? It's just that simple. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.